So I'm antsy. I want to launch things, guys. I want to get them out in the world. It's January 10th, technically the 11th because it's almost 1 in the morning. We had a really good day. I wanted to update you because, yesterday I felt like I was in the founder pit of despair, realizing that things weren't quite going to plan. And our team really helped out. We've got a very basic Glide app that actually functions pretty similarly to how we want our app to run. I mean, from like the most basic CRUD state of it. But we're actually using Glide to tag items in our Airtable database. And so we're rocking and rolling. I spent some time today really reflecting on what kinds of tags we should include, because I had been working on the taxonomy before, and also spent a lot of time on the design that we're going to be implementing in Webflow, just to make sure that I feel really excited about it because, I design products every day for clients. That's what I do in my consulting business. Beyond storytelling and landing pages, I do a lot of product design work, and I'm really, really passionate about awesome product design. So I'm really excited about some of the things that we put in the product design. Some of them I know are things that can't be implemented immediately because we're doing a very basic no-code implementation. We want to get this out the door. So things are rocking and rolling. Client work is going well. We are starting a project for a client that we've worked with in the past, and I'm really excited about working on updating their website now that they've learned a lot over the last year. Yeah, so this is late because we were finishing up some really gorgeous visual atmospheres for a different client. We really wanted to make them awesome, so we put a little extra time in tonight on that. But in not so great news, our 4-year-old has a stomach virus. So tomorrow's going to be interesting because we will have no childcare tomorrow because our usual childcare, Madison, her daughter, is sick as well. So everybody has the stomach virus. I am dreading if it hits me. I don't know. Stomach viruses. Brittany has it. Everybody's getting sick. So I'm anticipating delays. I am mentally prepared for delays. And I'm just hoping that everybody starts feeling better because, it's that gross, yucky time of year. I was looking into best ways to implement our MVP and no-code tools. We're obviously using Webflow for the front end. We've been using Webflow for a very long time. We've looked at a bunch of other tools like Wizzed, and we've looked at using Zapier or Make or something like that to connect things. We've looked at all kinds of things. So anyway, my toddler is screaming, but the summary is Wiz 2.0 looks amazing and I want an invite. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow will not be crazy.